In front of me, I've got a Mercedes-Benz S-Class from the brand Master in a 1/64 scale. Let's have a look at the box first, but first thing I'm going to do is take off the plastic. There we go. Yeah, like I said, from the brand Master in a 1/64 scale Mercedes-Benz. I believe this is an S-Class. Yep, there we can see it. There's nothing here. Here we got some information, freestyle frame, if you want to read it. Okay, let's take it out. Oh, on the back we see a nice picture of the Mercedes-Benz. Comes in a nice display case. Not a big fan of those display cases. I prefer box packaging. Yes, let's put some extra light on. Yeah, one of the reasons I've bought it, it got a license plate. Not sure what country this is. Let's switch to detail camera. SBR. Srebrenica? I have no idea. Not sure if I'm a fan of those yellow lights. I don't think it's ugly, but I think I prefer just the normal look. Okay, we got the Mercedes logo here in the front, very small, be careful with that. Then we got the wheels here, the rims with a red line around it. Brake disc, brake claw. A little bit difficult to see, but it's there. Okay, then we got the V12 here on the side, right here. Probably a V12 B-turbo. Yeah, we're going to have a look at the interior right away. We got a side mirror with a silver sticker on it. Is this my sticky finger? Okay, we got a Maybach logo here on the side. And again, the black rim with the red ring around it. Yeah, here also a Maybach on the side. And on the other side, we got S330 or 530 or 630. And again, a license plate. I like when a diecast car has a license plate. It makes it much more realistic, in my opinion. Okay, let's have a look at the interior. Get some light right here. Ooh, there's a lot going on here inside. Lots of details on the dashboard. I don't see colored details. Let's look on top. No, it's just a black interior. Yeah, nice looking seats. We got a mirror in the middle for looking back. And let's have a look here. Yeah, just an authentic Mercedes-Benz steering wheel. I like that. And of course, plenty of room in the back with the middle console. Not sure how you say it in English. Can you see it? A little bit of a bright light here, what I'm using. Is it best to use it like this? Yeah, you can see it. Oh, it got even the LCD screens on the seats in the front. Very well done. I like that. Now, I'm pretty curious what's underneath the car. And I'm talking about the base. We got true screws. And if the wheels are rolling. That's also important. Oh, yes. We got a metal base with a silver detail on the exhaust. I like that. Normal screws. Ooh, this car is definitely a winner. Oh, perfect rolling wheels. Also in the front. Yep, yep. Wow, I like this car a lot. Yeah, still have to think about those yellow lights. But like I said, it's not that ugly, but I prefer the normal ones. But probably in this country, they like those kind of lights. Yeah. And let's be honest, it's also a little bit of a gangster car. Yes, wheels are rolling perfect. Okay, let me know what you think about this Mercedes S-Class Maybach gangster car. Don't forget to smash the like button, and I will see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.